What else can you show her? Do you want to do the music for her?
Yeah.
Do you want to sing her a song? Sing her a song about you.
Sing row, row, row your boat.
Oh.
Row, row your boat gently downstream. If you see it out there, don't forget to scream. Ah!
She likes that.
Like alligators and hippos and lions.
Yeah. Can you sing it again for her?
Row, row your boat gently downstream. If you see a hippo, don't forget to scream. Ah! Row, row your boat gently downstream. If you see a lion, don't forget to scream. Ah!
That's so nice. She thinks it's a good song.
Yeah!
Mhm.
Let me see, Mommy.
Okay.